The local news of the week. At midnight Saturday, the telephones in this city will be changed to dial service, and all telephone numbers will be changed. Late this week, new directories will be delivered. Here are a few important suggestions for the use of your dial telephone. Before calling any number, first secure the number from your new directory. Then remove the receiver and listen for the dial tone. It sounds like this. That tone indicates everything is ready for your call. With the receiver off the hook, dial the desired number. For example, suppose you want to dial 23650. Dial each numeral in this manner, pulling the dial around to the finger stop each time. Be sure to allow the dial to freely return to its normal position. And this is the ringing signal. If the line is busy, you'll hear this busy signal. Until Saturday midnight, please use your present directory and make your calls in the usual manner.
Hello, everyone. I'm from your telephone company, and the message that we have for you is that we are changing your telephone service over to dial. You will find that dial telephones are very easy to use. And I'd like to give you some pointers so that you can make the best use of your dial telephone. Now, let's examine the dial itself for just a moment.
For convenience in dialing, the letters go around the dial in alphabetical order. And the numbers are in numerical order, from 1 to 9 and O. And in the center of the dial appears the number of the telephone you are using.
Now, let's use this demonstration model for a moment while we dial our number. Take up your receiver and always listen for the dial tone.
4, 9, 9, 7, O.
When dialing, notice that I brought my finger around until it firmly touched the finger stop. And now I remove my finger and let the dial go back by itself. Failure to bring your finger firmly to the finger stop with each pull of the dial may cause you to reach a wrong number. The same can happen if you force the dial back instead of letting it go back by itself.
Okay, good. How do we use it? Okay.
I don't know any.
Wait, how do I? There's gotta be another way to click it.
Go ahead.
What's the handle?
You're holding it in your hand.
Isn't this a phone?
That is a phone. You are correct. This is a phone. You are holding it in your hand. You're holding the handle.
Somehow call the number.
All right, so
put the handle down.
what is it?
The Turner phone.
All right.
Bro, I don't know. Is this a trick?
No, this is an actual phone.
Oh, press that.
What's that?
The middle button.
I don't know. Close.
What is this?
I don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to push this circle John on the 5, and it's like not doing it. Okay, it doesn't turn that way. What's that? It's broken.